Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the second Sudoku. Second Sudoku with 4 stars in today's additional of the newspaper of Thursday, June the 10th, 2021. Three puzzles left. Sudoku with 4 stars, tectonic with 4 stars, and a binary I will do today. There are more puzzles, but I've told you earlier I won't do them all. So the second one will be number 2926. And for a 4-star Sudoku or puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. Yes, if it's really a 4 stars. Okay, and before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. All right. So, let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Which number shall I pick? Of course, I pick the most printed digits. Yes. All right. No. 2 3s, 2 4s, 2 5s. 4 1s. But I cannot do anything with the ones. I see. So 3 8s. Yeah, 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in these two boxes. There an 8, no 8 in those two boxes. So one box left for the 8. Should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the third column. So the column between, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 8. No, I need to wait. So be patient. All right. We have a 2 in this column, a 2 in the third column, so the column between the second column. Only two places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 5. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 4 is missing, the 5 is missing, and the 9 is missing. Look, we have a 4 and a 5 in this column, so no 4 and a 5 in this box. The 4 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So one box left in this big square for the number 9. All right. 2 numbers left in the second column for the numbers 1 and 6. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column, so in the third column. The only two places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. All right. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row. 1 in the second row, so in the third row, the only two places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 1. Can I continue with the 8? Where are the 8s? 8. No. 8. Need to wait for the 8. Oh, right. 2 in this first row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 2 should be there. And then I cannot continue with the 2. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing number is a 6. We see here 6 in this big square. So no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Then 9, 3. Okay. Then 7, 9. How about those 3 missing numbers? 7, 9, and 6. 7, 9, and 6. 7, 9, and 6. That means those 2 boxes, 7, 9, and 6, 7, 9, and 6, are those 2 boxes, 7, 9, and 6. The 3 and the 5 are missing. 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in that box. So the 5 should be there, and the 3 goes here. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So the third column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in the third column for the number 9. 9 in this row, 9 in one of those 3 boxes in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 5. 9 and 5. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing, and the 7 is missing. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in the first row for the number 8. Then now I can continue with the 8. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above, so in that row. The only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, here an 8, no 8 there. Only place for the 8 should be there, and the 8s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 8. Alright. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, last column, 9 in that column. So the column B3, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 9. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 6 and the 7. 6 and 7. You see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4 are missing. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Yeah. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in this last column, 2 in the column next, so in that column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above, so in that row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 2. Alright, 2 numbers left. in this row for the numbers 4 and 5. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. One number left in this big square for the number 5. Two numbers left in the last row for the numbers 4 and 7. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, so the column between, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only two places for the 4 should be here. Or there, we see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 4, digit number 5, number 4. Alright. Two numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, the 3 is missing and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. Here also the 3 and the 6 in the middle column. 3 and the 6. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 6 goes there. One number left in this big square for the number 6. One number left in this row for the number 6. Two numbers left in this big square for numbers 3 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for numbers 3 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 3 goes there. One number left in the last column for the number 6. Two numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing and the 7 is missing. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 7 goes there. And the final two numbers of this big square for the numbers 7 and 3. 7 and 3. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 3 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes for a 4-star Sudoku. I cannot believe this. Is this really a 4 stars? No, I think this is a 1-star Sudoku. Because for 1-star Sudoku, I must be faster than 50 minutes. And I've solved this in 11 minutes. So is this an easy 4-star Sudoku? Yeah, I believe so. But I like this one, yes. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you later with the other two puzzles. A binary puzzle and a tectonic puzzle are left for you later. So see you then. Bye-bye for now.